details from the story to find out what book we're going to read.
The details or pieces of information that we have are cleaning supplies.
This pumpkin.
And this fancy shoe.
These are details from the story Cinderella.
A tale is a story that's real or imaginary.
This detail shows how Cinderella cleaned the house.
This detail of the story shows how Cinderella's fairy godmother created a carriage out of a pumpkin and got Cinderella to the ball.
This detail shows us that Cinderella left a spoon behind. Now let's hear about all the details of the story.